Hey, once again, it's Robert with Clean Pool and Spa, and in this video, we're going to take a walk around a Hayward inline tap feeder or chlorinator, if that's what you choose to call it. Now, the first thing that we need to talk about is where to put this. Okay, where to install it. You always want to install it on the return side after any of your equipment. Okay, so we have the filter here, and then we come down here, and you can see the tap feeder is here, and then it goes directly back to the pool. Okay, if you have a chlorine generator, if you have a salt pool, heater, anything like that, you want to be sure that this is the last unit installed before the pool, because this is going to be filled with tabs and it's very acidic and it'll eat away at anything. And as you can see here, we have the dial. You can turn it off, you can turn it all the way up right here. Obviously, the higher the setting, the more chlorine is actually going to be going back into your pool. And for this setting, it's really personal. It depends upon what your situation is. If you have a moderate to heavily used pool, you may want to put it up, to maybe 5 or 6 right here. If you have a lightly used pool, in cooler weather, 3 might be good for you. You just want to make sure that you know your situation and adjust this accordingly. So these are very simple to operate. Just take the top off right here, and you can see that down there, obviously there's no tabs in there. I need to fill this up. But as you're doing this, you just want to take a look around to make sure there's no leaks or anything else like that. There's the fittings there, the collars. You want to make sure that those aren't leaking. You also want to take care of the top right here. There is an O-ring in there, believe it or not. I know you can't see it, but if yours is missing or broken, you need to replace it. And again, you can use 1-inch or 3-inch tabs for your chlorinator, and simply just be careful on dropping them, because you don't want to splash anything up. So just go ahead and drop that right down in there. Make sure your setting is adjusted accordingly. Now, there's a couple ways you can actually do this. With some of these chlorinators, the water will, once you take the top off, the water will go down to the bottom. This one is not like this. You can still see some water in there. So an easy thing that you can do, if you don't have any water in there, you can leave the top off. You can turn the pump motor on. This will fill with water until you cover the tabs with water, and then go ahead and put the lid back on. Now, this one does not have it. I wish it did. I talked to the pool owner. She said that she does not want to have one, but I would highly recommend having a check valve behind your chlorinator right here. That way, none of that highly acidic water can go back into your salt cell or your filter and ruin it. Now, this shouldn't take place of your normal chlorination. What tabs are meant to do is to give you 1 part per million chlorine per day, so your chlorine doesn't bottom out. So use them wisely. So that's about it for your chlorinator. Hope you liked it. I'm Robert, Clean Pool and Spa. Check out the description box below. Link to my website, cleanpoolandspa.com. Lots of great information over there. Like, subscribe, and comment here. As always, be safe and happy swimming. Bye.